Today we are at the Rebecca Kufuado Sunshine Hostel at the Korle Bu Teaching Hospital. Now this is a hostel for children with cancer. We are here to donate a 6 kilowatt off-grid solar system to the building and the children. The main goal of this donation is to provide the children with electricity when the national grid goes off. It is also meant to subsidize the cost of electricity for the building. So they'll have lights, they'll have access to their fans. There are over 40 ceiling fans here, lights. They have access to the sockets. They can watch TV. They can, the parents can charge their phones, just to make the lives of these children a little easier.
As you already know, electricity is not very consistent, and for our children who spend so much time in hospital beds, not having electricity should never be one of the things they should worry about. So we're thankful that through the support of Deep Solar giving us a 6 kilowatt solar power generator, we would be able to have consistent electricity in our hostel. It's going to make a world of difference. As you know, with kids, they become very restless, so on a typical day they would have gone to the hospital to do their chemotherapy. They've come, they're hot, they're bothered, they're vomiting. Being able to have access to TV and cartoons is like Christmas every day. So we're so thankful for this donation and indeed the partnership. We know, as people have said, they come back hopefully and top up. So we look forward to a day when we can actually be off the grid, because indeed electricity for this place is such a big cost to the Department of Child Health.
And then a DJ that from home. Say, I hope we are my buy and or move a year to be from home. And then it say, lights in another call off, no sunshine, quan and able to shine it. Shine ye easy. Often I shine about a costume.
Deep Solar is devoted and dedicated to giving back to society. We have a very strong passion when it comes to children. It's very heartwarming, and it's very touching to see that these children who didn't ask for this life at all are born into the world and they have to deal with cancer. So our goal is to make their lives slightly easier and better.
Thank you, Deep Solar.